Mama, vlog to! Ang vlog, anything you can do. Hi everyoutubers! Welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Jess of Glamformation Makeup by Jess. Please do like my Facebook page and my IG. Our thing is at Glamformation Makeup by Jess. I'm not really a fan of K-pop, but I was so inspired to do a Korean glass skin look para ma-experience ko naman maging kahit pa paano makinis and dewy. Pardon me, cause here is my bare face. Walang makeup, walang sunblock, foundation, or powder. I just freshen up myself. So ayan, let's get started. For today, I'm going to use wet wipes to clean my face. Actually, kakatapos ko lang maghilamos, but I'm not taking for granted the cleaning of my face. So, wag nating i-take for granted yun. Parang relasyon lang. Pag tinake for granted mo ang relasyon, walang mangyayari. Masasaktan ka lang. Next, I have here with me flat cotton pads, and I'm going to dump it on my favorite toner, Celotex. So this is very important para ma-remove ang excess oil. So sana kasing bilis ng pag-remove ng excess oil ang pag-remove ng feelings mo sa kanya. Kasi kahit ilang linggo na, ilang buwan na, minsan ilang taon pa, ang feelings mo nandyan at nandyan pa. So guys, maglagay tayo ng velcro para hindi magulo ang pag-makeup natin. Walang buhok nagugulo sa pag-makeup natin. So parang sa relasyon ninyo, may nang gulo, may nang agaw. Wala na, sira na. Next, I'm going to use the MAC Prep Plus Prime para ma-moisturize ang face ko. Para maging fresh, mas fresh pa kaysa dun sa pinagpalit niya sa'yo. Now, I'm gonna use this primer, one of my favorite primers, the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Ayan siya. Para instant kinis tayo mga bes. Mas makinis pa kaysa sa pagmamahal niya. Pagmamahal niya, bako-bako. So guys, yung kamay natin, hindi siya sterile. So I'm going to use a brush from Marionod. I don't know if I pronounced it correctly, Marionod. I bought it in SM. Sorry, walang autofocus. And it's in N33 foundation brush. But I'm gonna make use of this as a brush for the primer. So, sobrang instant kinis ang effect nito. At the same time, it controls the oil. Hindi siya ganun ka-sticky. The feeling is so awesome. I mean, ang soft lang ng feeling. So, as I've said, it's very important to make use of a brush. Kasi, pag kinamay mo, madumi yung kamay mo. Ayaw mo naman madumihan yung mukha mo. Diba? Madumi na nga yung mga pinagagawa nila. Kung nung kayo pa, madudumihan pa mukha mo ng kamay mo. Ano na lang ang malinis sa'yo? Ano na lang ang malinis sa kanila? Next, ang gagamitin ko, favorite kong color corrector from Graftobian. Graftobian is a professional product and sobrang useful niya para sa mga hyperpigmentations like this. So, mga reddish spots. So, gamitin natin yung color wheel. If the color is red, then make use of a green corrector. So, color correcting is very important. It's synonymous to concealing. Parang kinokorek mo lang yung buhay mo na kung saan wala na siya. Correcting is also loving whatever flaws he has. Kasi kung hindi mo mahal ang flaws niya, hindi mo i-embrace, hindi mo i-correct. Masakit, walang mangyayari sa inyo. So, kagaya ng na-mention ko before sa aking mga vlogs, I really love RCMA kasi hindi siya humuhulas sa client man or sa akin whenever I'm applying it occasionally. So, hindi siya huhulas, hindi ka niya iiwan, hindi kagaya nung partner mo. Nakakita lang ng iba, nang iwan na. So, stick to RCMA tayo. Kasi hindi siya huhulas, hindi ka iiwan, mamahalin ka niya forever unless kalimutan mo siya. So, pipili tayo ng malapit sa kulay ko. So, glass skin, we should see the skin, not the foundation. So, I'm going to apply a really, really light foundation on my face para masaya yun. Ay, meron pa pala dito. So, dump it gently. I'm gonna use a mirror para mas comfortable on my own. So we should be very careful in applying the foundation because dapat lahat ng sulok malagyan mo. Dapat very careful ka. And make sure na walang skin na hindi mapupuntahan ng madadapuan ng foundation. To ensure that guys, buti pa yung pimple marks lumalaban. Siya, hindi niya ako pinaglaban.
A few moments later.
So, dapat guys, i-blend natin siya ng maayos para achieve natin yung glass skin. Sino ba nagpausok sa inyo ng glass skin? So, this time, isa-set na natin siya guys. I'm using this brush from Swoosh and RCMA No Color Powder. Kailangan natin iset ng maayos para hindi siya humulas. Parang relasyon, pag hindi mo sinet ng maayos, huhulas yan, magsasawa yan. Parang siya, nagsawa na sa akin. Parang siya nagsawa na sa sitwasyon. Parang siya nawala na. So, dapat natin guys, set ng maayos ang powder. Ang foundation. So, dapat guys, iset natin ng maayos ang foundation para hindi siya humulas basta-basta. Hindi kagaya ng pagmamahal niya, hindi na-set, humulas, nawala. Mama, this is a vlog. May hugot.
Pa-fresh muna guys. I turned off the electric na maraming aircon para magandang audio. This time, pa-fresh muna tayo.
So, I wanna bake the under eye para mas glowing siya. So, ano na ba susunod? Hindi ko alam eh. Parang process ng pag-move on, hindi mo alam kung anong susunod. Pero sa makeup, alam ko. So, next thing is that I'm going to moisturize my lips. Kasi medyo na-dry na siya. I'm gonna use this Nivea lip, what do you call this? Basta lip ano siya, moisturizer. After moisturizing the lips, I'm going to grab my favorite clear eyebrow gel from Nichido. So, basically, pagka Korean look, dapat yung brows bushy. So, let's just bush them up. Halang kapal ng isa. Disclaimer, hindi si Beast yung pinoportray ka. Next, I'm going to contour my chin. So, very, very light lang. And since hugis mangga tayo, contour din natin yung Now, I'm going to contour my cheeks. And since hugis mangga tayo, contour tayo ng konti dito. Pero maraming mga Korean stars, diba, na hugis mangga. Sino-sino ang mga hugis manggang Korean stars? Write them down. Comment them below. I'm gonna use the anong paubos na Kat Von D. Kung sino may mabait na kalooban dyan, mag-donate ng... by the way, this brush, kagaya nung nasabi ko sa dati kong vlog, I've always been using this angled brush of mine from DV. Nabili ko siya sa DV and it's, I think, 2015 when I bought it. Or 2014. Sobrang tagal na niya, pero sobrang tibay. Hindi kagaya ng pagsasamahan namin, nabuwag, hindi matibay. Kasi isa siyang marupok. Char. Sana ang relasyon namin kasing tibay, kasing tatag nito. Hindi ka iiwan. Mama, vlog to! Ang vlog, anything you can do. So, yan. Very, very light lang na contour. And since medyo palagas ng buhok natin, contour tayo dito. Now, let's contour the chin. Sobrang light lang din. There. This time, tanggalin muna natin yung nakabake sa ilong. Ayan. Then, pati dito. Ang nakabake sa ilong. I mean, let's remove first the powder that we used. Okay, so contour naman natin yung nose. So, let's just make it really matangos. So, the reason why we are contouring is pinapalit natin yung mga parts na gusto natin palitin para mag-show up yung shape ng face natin. And parang pagmamahal lang yan. Mahal niya na lumiit ng lumiit hanggang sa nawala. Pero sa contouring, on point dapat. Hindi nawawala. Nandyan pa rin. Visible and detailed. Kagaya ng pagmamahal niya. Hindi detailed. So there. Let's just put a very, very light contour. Light na siya. Para kahit pa paano ma-define yung nose bridge. Now, let's go to the eyes. I have here a brush. I have here a brush from Zoeva. And I'm going to take my new palette from Too Faced. This is the Sweet Peach that I just bought. And I'm gonna use the Puri shade. This one. This one. And, I just wanna emphasize a bit I wanna make my eyes a bit popping out. Let's pop it out. So crease lang tayo. Very, very light lang, guys. Very, very light lang, guys. Ayan. So, hindi na ako masyado monolid. I actually am monolid. Ayan. So, dapat i-pop out natin yung eyes. Very, very light. Parang pagmamahal niya, very, very light. And suddenly, it faded. Pero yung eyeshadow, hindi yan mag-fade, promise. No hulas yan. Okay. Am I getting more handsome, more beautifully handsome? I'm gonna grab another brush from Zoeva. It's an angled brush and have the same color. Yeah. The same color, this one, for the under eye. What happened to this? Yeah, so my eyes is now quite defined. Now I'm gonna grab the Nishido brown eyeliner. Where is that one? Saan ba yun? So, lalagyan natin yung waterline ng brown eyeliner. Masakit. So, dahan-dahan lang, guys. Pero mas masakit yung idea na iniwan ka niya. Mas masakit yung minahal mo yung bawat flaws niya. Pero siya, hindi. So, somehow, dapat magmukhang malaki yung eyes natin. Kasing laki ng pagmamahal natin sa kanila. The more important thing is that you were able to show to him or her that your love is that big, so that at the end of the day, there will be no regrets na, ay, hindi ko nagawa yung dapat kong gawin. You did. He just didn't notice it. He just didn't appreciate it. And we can do nothing about it. Next! Since we want the eyes to pop out, maggagamit tayo ng NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in white para somehow mas lumaki tignan yung mata natin and dito siya sa inner part. Hala! Careful in applying, guys. It should be a less is more principle. Hala guys, naparami yata. So, di ba sabi nila, anumang sobra ay masama. Kaya siguro, minasama niya yung sobra-sobra kong pagmamahal. Hala! I don't really like what happened. But, let me fix it. Guys, ang relasyon, parang make-up yan. Pag may nagawa kang mali, itama mo. Pero, on the other side, hindi siya parang makeup eh. In love, you have to appreciate the flaws. You have to love the flaws. But in makeup, there is no room for flaws. Everything must be on flick. Next, one of my most favorite things to do, the highlighter. And I'm going to use my favorite Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sugar. And I'm going to dump the marshmallow shade. Ito. Pat it and add a little shimmer here. Ayan. What I love about Anastasia Beverly Hills is that the glow it gives to your skin is very natural and naglalast siya. All throughout the event, naglalast yung glow niya. Hindi kagaya ng glow ng relasyon ninyo sa umpisa lang. In the end, mawawala siya. So, para somehow ma-define ang pilik mata natin, ang lashes natin, I'm still going to use the clear eyebrow mascara. Okay, so we're almost done. Siyempre ba natin kakalimutan i-define yung lips. So, I'm gonna use this beautiful rose fondue from L'Oreal. Sorry, walang. Basta L'Oreal pa siya. So, dump lang natin ng konti. Let's just define. So, I want somehow an orangish lips. So, I'm gonna grab an orange lip piece. So, this is the Meat Matte from The Balm. And, this is in the shade. Anong shade ba to? Basta orange. And, I want a glossy lip. So, I will be adding again lip balm from Nivea. So it's somehow a combination of pink and orange, but it's just fine. So i-highlight din natin guys ang lips para plakado. So i-highlight din natin guys yung lips para to add more shimmer, to add more glow. I should have done it kanina kaya lang. I forgot. Sorry. Hala, makatuloy siya. Hala. I'm so wrong. I'm so sorry. I should have done it kanina. So I'm just going to repeat the process. So guys, be careful. You should do the proper way of applying the makeup. I mean the proper, how do you call this? The step-by-step process. So that to avoid repetition of work and to avoid negativity. So I'm not going to use any blush on para hindi tayo magmukhang sinamba. So to set everything on their proper places, finishing powder tayo guys. So dewy, glass skin, somehow may nabago ba? Write your comments below. Anyways, I'm going to fix my hair and somehow magpapalit ako para magmukha talaga tayong Oppa.
Oh well. Karma's a bitch.
So guys, ito na yung finished look ng ating glass skin Oppa look with Hugot. So I hope you guys liked my video tutorial for today. Please click the like button and leave a comment below if you want to say something, if you have any questions or recommendations or anything na may shons. And hit the bell button to get notified on my next video. And please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye. Love you all.